So here we are outside. It's nice to get your birds outside on a nice day. I had them in the sun. And now, we're gonna mist them. So you get your little mister and spray it on your hand a few times. Make sure that it's room temperature and it doesn't feel too cool. If your birds get too wet and too cold, they can get sick. So I'm gonna spray them a bit, and usually they need some time to get used to it. But some birds really love water. So here, just a spray above them. And they do a little shake. It's cute. In their native land, Australia, there are usually some big rainstorms. They go hang out in the trees and get a little wet. This should help them preen. It helps tame feather dust. It's really good for them. Taking a nice shower. Some birds like to bathe in actual water. If you want, you could put a very shallow dish of water in there for them. Hi, birdies. Oh, Daddy's pretty relaxed. Okay, now we're gonna get their backs. Here we are out in the sun. Whenever you're outside with your birds, I strongly recommend that you keep them in their cage. If your bird's wings are clipped, they can still fly away quite easily. Even if you have a very tame bird, I would not take the risk to take them outside with you where they can fly away and not come back. There is a bird harness that sort of works like a dog leash, and you can hold the end of it. I haven't tried it, and I don't know if I will, especially because these birds aren't tame. They're getting more comfortable with me, but... Hi, birdies! I also would recommend not leaving your birds outside in their cage without supervision, because animals like cats and even possums, raccoons, birds, hawks, a lot of animals like to eat birds, foxes, dogs. I would just keep them always in your eyesight. You never want to miss your birds late in the day or late at night, because it cools off, and if they go to sleep when they're wet, it's not good for them at all. Birds have pretty fragile health, so you want to do this early in the day or afternoon. Right now it's about noon. Keep them warm. So our party in the sun was brought to an end because of a neighborhood cat. I saw a cat, so we moved over here. They like being outside.